will correct everything. And if you choose to do it wrong again, bahala kayo. Then we leave it to the Filipino people to decide what they want to do. Nakita pa yung Church Centennial daw, 500 years of Christianity. Really? What's so special? They said just keep it confidential. Ba't ako mag-celebrate ng... I celebrate the start of the subjugation of my country for 400 years. You must be kidding. I celebrate the day when the heroes of my country were slaughtered. Kaya nga, itong Pilipino, yung nawala siya sa, incongruity. First, we treat our heroes for fighting the church and the abuses of the priests, mga Guardia Civil. Then after that, we go to Quiapo. Ito naman Pilipino kasi madala eh. Lalo ng, dala, pag sabi ng pare doon, then we revere also. We revere the conquistadores. Not me. So, we do not celebrate anything. Why would we celebrate? Coming of Christianity that started our travails and agony and sorrow. Mag-celebrate ako. Celebrate it in your sector. Maybe the biggest sector in the Philippines. May I have my own God. God who is all-knowing, God who does not create hell, does not create heaven. He did not create human beings just to be thrown to hell or to enjoy heaven. My God says that you will live in any place where, somewhere in the universe. Maybe that's heaven. Hell, maybe, I don't know, you don't stop moving. You are, there's no clear punishment actually. But hell is, you just say that something unpleasant for the human soul. Wala pa talaga tayo nakapunta doon. Pero yung good and evil, totoo yan. I am not the Lucifer because I do not don gowns. Si Lucifer nakasuot man ng gown yung overcoat, all weather, still or...
Almost naman nasabi niyo na po, Mr. President. Okay?
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
So,
We can have it...